So one of the awesome features of flying an FPV drone is the ability to perform acrobatic maneuvers. However, that's not something that's normally possible when you have a GPS-enabled drone and are flying with a controller such as the Motion 3 controller bundled with the Avata 2. Thankfully, DJI have thought of us meagre beginners and have actually included the ability for easy acro. This allows us to perform stunts that otherwise we wouldn't be able to perform without manual flying with literally a touch of a button. Thought we'd give that a go today and see how it works. So first I'm going to gain some height since this is my first time using these. I don't want to crash the drone into anything, and let's go ahead and test some of these out. So if I start traveling, right now we've got it on slide. I think that's kind of the default option. It won't actually do anything. If I push the controller here, yep, it will bank it. If I travel forwards, then it will bank it. So it doesn't really do anything from what I can tell, the slide option. I think it's like the default joystick control. But let's go ahead and drop this down to 180-degree drift. Let's go ahead and start heading forwards. I'd tap that button, and what do you know, we turn around automatically and start going backwards. So again, we'll head forwards, tap left or right on the control stick, and we'll switch. And if in this mode I tap up or down on the control stick, then nothing happens, so we do have to go left or right. And whilst you continue to hold the accelerator down, you will continue to travel backwards, so just bear that in mind. So this is going to be great actually for capturing some shots quite low down. If I just head down here, and let's take this best subject I've got really, the bonfire remains right now. So now if I head forwards, tap that button, and then we get the drift. You see that? Again, tap the button and we get the drift. We can keep that in shot then, our subject. So yeah, the remains of the bonfire, not the best subject, but you get the idea. So you'll be able to capture some pretty impressive shots there. So again, let's just gain some height here, and we'll test out the flip acro, which I'm also excited about. So this will actually turn the drone 360 degrees, and it will do it in any 4 directions. So if we tap down first on the control stick, we'll do a forward flip. If we tap up on the control stick, we'll do a backwards flip. If we tap left on the control stick, we'll do a left flip, and right on the controller, we'll do a right flip. So really, really easy to use this, and you can get some pretty awesome shots as well. Makes you feel like you are truly FPV flying, even as a beginner. And whoosh. That is fun. And whoosh. Oh, that's crazy. I love it. Honestly, I've been loving the Avata 2. It is so much fun, isn't it? It really is. You will continue to move forward as well as you do the flip, so just bear that in mind. Let's go over the bonfire now. Okay, low battery. I didn't actually have a full charge when I started. I wonder if some of these maneuvers use more battery. Maybe they do, but like I say, I wasn't on full charge when we began, so let's start heading back. Folks, in case I didn't make clear, I want to make clear now, that was my very first time using the easy acro maneuvers, and this is my very first FPV drone. So I am a complete beginner, and you saw how easy that was. No issues with it whatsoever. I've been having so much fun with this drone, I really have. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing some more flights with it, and even putting these easy acro maneuvers more to the test to see what sort of shots we're able to capture. I like that drift one actually, because it means you can keep your subjects in shot even as you fly past it, but again, just be careful due to the lack of obstacle avoidance. But folks, hopefully this has been a nice introduction to you for the easy acro maneuvers with the DJI Avata 2, and happy flying!